first thing I need to do here is collect the x's on one side of the equation. It's usually easier to choose the side of the equation which has already got the most x's. 7x's here, 3x's here. I'm going to collect the x's on the left-hand side. And I'm going to do that by subtracting 3x from both sides of the equation. First of all, if I subtract 3x from this side, I'm going to be left with just 2. And if I subtract 3x from this side, I'm going to be subtracting the 3x from the 7x, and I'm going to therefore be left with 4x, and the minus 5 stays. Now let's move the minus 5 to the right, and I'm going to do that by adding 5 to both sides. The left-hand side, then we've got 4x minus 5, but I'm going to add the 5 back on, so I'm left with 4x. And on the right-hand side, I've got 2 add 5, which is the same as 7. If we now divide both sides by 4, because what I want on my left-hand side here is just x, I'm going to divide the left-hand side by 4, and also divide the right-hand side by 4. And I can either write it as a fraction as 7 over 4, which I'm going to change to 1 3/4, or I could use my calculator, or change this directly. 7 divided by 4, even if I do that on the calculator, I'm going to get 1.75, which is the same as 1 3/4. Either of those answers will do.